I remember the first time I heard a small block V8 clear its throat. It wasn't subtle, it sounded like a promise. America's classic cars aren't just machines, they're time capsules with keys. Close your eyes and picture it. A '65 Mustang idling at dawn, chrome catching that pink morning light. Bench seat, vinyl warm from the sun, the dash simple enough to fix with a pocket screwdriver. You don't press start, you turn a key and the whole car shivers awake. Maybe your neighbor had a Bel Air with tail fins big enough to cast shade on the sidewalk. Maybe it was a '63 split-window Corvette that looked fast standing still. Or a Dodge Charger that could make a diner's neon sign vibrate. These cars didn't whisper, they announced you. Route 66 wasn't just a line on a map, it was a playlist. Gas stations with bell hoses, bugs on the windshield like confetti, milkshakes thick enough to stand a straw in, a napkin under the cup, and a road map that always creased in the wrong place. What I love most isn't perfection, it's the quirks. Manual window cranks that leave a circle on your palm, a choke you coax on a cold morning, the smell of gasoline and old leather that somehow smells like freedom. You don't interface, you participate, and yeah, they break. But a roadside fix with a borrowed wrench turns strangers into a pit crew. That's the secret. Classic cars are social. Parking lot meets at sunset, hood up, stories out. My dad had one. I learned to drive stick in that. The nostalgia isn't retro, it's shared. If you've got one, take it out tonight. If you don't, ride shotgun with someone who does. Windows down. Radio a little too loud. Let the engine set the tempo and the road write the lyrics. Because the best thing about America's classic cars, they don't just take you somewhere, they take you back.